Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 26th of May 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for the SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. As usual, before getting into this video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore is important to conduct your own analysis. Whatever analysis that you're comfortable with, could be fundamental, could be technical, could be a mix. But use this video as a guide and not a playbook per se, since that is not its purpose. Its purpose is to be educational, so please use this video that way. But without further ado, now let's get into the charts. We can clearly see that the monthly charts show a clear, strong bull run for the S&P 500. RSI confirming this price action. MACD as well. We see that we had this crossover all the way here, and then it's been continually going up. So we get a very strong bullish view here. However, we see that volume has been declining throughout. So that's actually a volume divergence. So the problem with this is it directly contradicts this trend, since we see that there's a weak demand. So that's why it's important to be cautious and see how the market is reacting. Similarly, here we see, again, very strong uptrend. Even this recent few candles which have been going upwards and made an all-time high have been created on declining volume. This clearly shows that volume is not supporting the uptrend. It's not a good signal, and we see that the MACD histogram is lower, below 1. Although it looks like it's about to cross over, it hasn't yet. RSI is similar. It's although supporting the price action, we do see a decline in volume, so that's not something that's very encouraging. But we can take a support and resistance. We'll take the resistance or the buy stop at the high at 533.07 and the near support at 524.09 as the support or sell entry. So that's what we get from the weekly charts. Finally, let's move to the daily charts. Now here we see that we've had a crossover for a while. MACD is continually going upward. RSI is similarly going upward. This is all confirmed price action, no divergence. But what we do see interestingly here is while this trend is going up, volume has declined. So this is a common trend across all the charts. The volume is declining as the uptrend continues. Therefore, we see that this is definitely the weak demand part of the trend, and we should be expecting a downturn anytime, according to technical rules. So we will be cautious and have stops on entries on either side, just to be safe. And we see from this Excel sheet that last week we didn't have a trade. However, this week we wait for the similar as I covered it just earlier. We buy when it crosses the resistance at 533.07, and we sell when it falls below the support at 524.09. Target of 1%, trailing stop loss of 0.5%. If we are in a position and neither of these are hit, then we'll just close on Friday. Weekly trend is up, monthly trend is also up, but that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.